Hello everybody, my name is Omni-Infestor here, and today we are going to be playing... we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. I forgot for a second, but yeah. And guys, I think you guys are wondering what I record with. I record with Mobizen, so yeah. Let's play some Subway Surfers. His head is so weird, he has a white nose now. Now he has white pupils. Let's see, can he have white pupils? Almost there. There we go. Okay, yes, well, I don't care about that stuff. Okay, let's play. Let's go over here. Let's get that. What the heck? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. What? Kid Danger. Alright guys, sorry, I was just talking to my friend on Xbox. Let's go, let's see. Got all these coins. We're gonna be playing one round, so yeah guys, let's see. Whoa, starting to need to use my thumb, because I was actually just using my pointer finger. Oh my god. Now I'm using my pointer finger again. Oh my god. Oh, dang it. I died. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. If you liked it, please hit that like button. And as always, stay boss.